Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're bringing you the best dog boots waterproof anti-slip on the market, the XSY&G dog boots. Whether you're walking on icy pavements, scorching summer sidewalks, or rocky trails, these dog shoes are a must-have for your furry friend. Let's dive into what makes them stand out and why you should consider adding them to your dog's gear today. First off, let's talk size and fit. The pair we're showcasing is size 4, designed for dogs weighing between 31 and 40 pounds. That includes breeds like the Japanese Akita and the American Cocker Spaniel. But don't worry, XSY&G offers sizes ranging from 1 to 8, so whether you've got a tiny terrier or a burly Labrador, there's a fit that'll suit your pup perfectly. Make sure to check their size chart and measure your dog's paw width and length before buying. A snug fit is key to making sure the boots don't slip off and that your dog stays comfy. Now let's take a closer look at the build quality. These boots are made from high-quality, wear-resistant fabric that can handle rough terrain and dirt. They're both fashionable and functional, with an adorable paw print embroidery that adds a bit of charm. The soles are tough and feature a rugged anti-slip texture that improves traction on all kinds of surfaces, tile floors, sand, concrete, even wet or icy ground. That's a huge bonus for senior dogs or dogs with mobility issues who need that extra bit of grip. Comfort is another standout feature here. The interior of the boots is soft and breathable, keeping your dog's paws cool in the summer and protected in the winter. They're great for indoor and outdoor use, and work well in both wet and dry conditions. If you live in an area with sharp gravel, hot pavement, thorns, or even glass fragments, these shoes will shield your dog's paws from harm. And come wintertime, they'll protect against snow, ice, and harsh road salts, which can be very irritating to sensitive pads. Putting the boots on and off is super easy thanks to the pull-on design and double adjustable straps. These long, secure straps wrap around the ankle and fasten tightly to prevent the boots from slipping off during walks or playtime. The straps also include reflective elements, adding a layer of visibility during low-light outings. Whether you're walking at dawn or dusk, your dog will be more visible to passing cars and cyclists, a small but critical safety detail. Another thing we love about these boots is that they're hand-washable. So after a muddy hike or a snowy trek, just rinse them off, let them dry, and they're good as new. That reusability adds value over time, especially for adventurous dogs who love the outdoors. A quick heads up, the sizing is based on the inner diameter and measured manually, so a small error is possible. But the brand encourages you to reach out to their support team with any questions, and they promise a 24-hour response time. That's reassuring if you're worried about getting the right fit or need help with your order. Honestly, just about any medium to large dog who enjoys regular walks or hikes, especially in challenging environments. From the beach to the mountains to city streets in all kinds of weather, these boots are built to handle it all while keeping your dog safe and comfortable. To sum it up, the XSY&G dog boots tick all the boxes. They're durable, breathable, secure, easy to use, and offer excellent paw protection in a stylish design. If you're looking for the ultimate combination of safety, style, and comfort for your pup, look no further. You can find the product on Amazon in a variety of sizes and colors to suit your dog's needs. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this video helped you find the perfect dog boots for your pet, hit that like button and subscribe for more hands-on product breakdowns and honest reviews. Drop a comment if there's a product you'd like us to review next. Until next time, happy trails to you and your pup.